Hi there! Today we are going to make a cow. Are you excited for this activity? Well then, let's open our book and see what do we have. We have 4 steps right here to make this animal. Let's grab our pencil and start making this. We will start with the rough drawing at first. So let's go ahead by making the face and then 2 curves for its horn. And after that, let's make its ears. Connected to the face, start by making a nice curved line for the body. Yes, something like this. Go ahead by making a tail and then its legs. Make sure that you draw a very light drawing. So just in case if you have to erase anything, it is easier for you to do so. Let's make a bump right here and connect it to the curve for the body. And now it's time for us to make this beautiful curve for the horns. After that, let's make the front part like this. This looks brilliant. Let's make its eyes. And now let's start by making a fair drawing wherein we see the loose skin near the throat. Once we are done with that, let's make this chain and then the bell in its neck. That's amazing! Continue drawing the entire thing in a similar way. Let's make the tail now. And after that, let's start by making these spots on its body. It is completely alright if you cannot make the exact same thing. Try making it as identical as possible. This looks interesting. Now it's time for us to start sketching the entire drawing. Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching right on top of the pencil marks. Yes, the ones which we have drawn. If you feel that you've done any mistake while drawing, you can also do that properly in sketching. Make sure you go very slow while sketching. And now let's complete the entire thing in a similar way. We will make sure that we do not sketch its spots. Once we are done with that, let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see except the spots. After that, let's start coloring the spots with brown color. Well, you can also take a dark ochre color for this one. Be very careful while coloring these spots as they are in an uneven manner. Do not go out of the spots so that it looks neat and clean. Make the spots with a pencil so that you know where to color the dark brown color. Use the tip of the crayon to color this nicely. Go very slow while coloring this. And now let's do this part with pink color. After which we are going to use red color for this part. Let's do a dark grey color here. And with the help of a pencil, make a circle for the nostril. Continue coloring the horns and the bottom part of the leg with the help of grey color. Yes, the brown color for the tail. Finally, you can color this with a pale yellow color or even keep this white. Whatever you like. Complete the entire cow in a similar way. And finally, let's color its bell with yellow color. And our cow is ready.